curiosity only, the dry shampoo thing, or the shampooing, is that a dry shampoo or a wet?
You talking to me?
Yeah, thank
the
shampooing of
it's wet.
Hair.
It's wet.
It is wet.
You have to, yeah. You have to wet the surface in order to get that stain, get to the stain that's deep, and then brush it up while it's wet.
Okay, so that there's not a problem later on with it becoming drying and cracking?
No, not at all, because we spray it with the conditioner afterwards.
You know, I just know on carpets there's an outfit called Chem Dry.
Yes, I know what you're talking about.
It's a dry shampoo.
No, this is actually getting wet.
So out of curiosity, what are you building there?
This is a Louis Vuitton bag that we are restoring.
Unbelievable.
We're replacing the center gussets on it and adding some zippers and condition up. So I just added some color to the interior.
I can't imagine there's anybody else in this whole area that does what you do.
It's a specialty, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure.
All right, so what do we have so far? We've got the side gussets ready. Okay, bottom gusset. Now we have to double these because you've got two compartments. Oh, the reason I couldn't talk because we were open when I was filming or recording, whatever you want to say. And customers kept coming in and I was getting distracted, and I figured that I'd keep quiet to get some work done on the side of the shop. So that's why I couldn't talk. It's not ASMR. ASMR, is that what it is? It's not that video. All right, so get back to this here. So we've got two compartments. So we're gonna have two of these right here. So each one has two sides, front, back, front, back, front, back. Okay. Now the interior, I reinforced it with that just to give it some durability and strength. Now this one, this material we use basically for alterations. When we do sleeves, anything that, like the hems on the jackets, anything that requires a little reinforcement so it doesn't stretch out of shape, this is what we put on. All right, so we've got our zippers. We're going to replace the side pieces. That's where the zipper goes. Okay. Now, this leather here, this is pigskin, just like what you've got here. Unfortunately, it wasn't the right color, but we had to dye it to get it as close as possible to the color that we needed. And it worked out pretty good. I think it'll be all right. So we're going to stitch up the gussets together, and we're going to stitch the zipper. We're going to clean the interior and add some color to the interior also, since we've got it apart, might as well. And then we can start reassembling and putting it all back together. All right, let's continue. And one more thing, on the side gussets, I skived the edges here a little bit so they're not so bulky on the edges when everything comes together. Now the problem is that this is not very durable, so you can't, you can't, that's why we put the reinforcement in the middle between them, so it'll be a little bit more durable. If it was just two layers of leather, it was going to end up doing this over time also. I mean, granted, this has got to be like 30 years old plus, so it's not too bad. All right, we're making progress on this case. I mean, there are so many, you know, compartments and layers to this that it gets a bit daunting at times because each compartment has 4 or 5 layers. Got to take it apart and re-glue everything back together. But it's turned out pretty good. I think it'll look nice once it gets done. All right, today's shout out is going to be my friend John Head in Adelaide, South Australia. He runs Blackwood boot and shoe repair in Australia. He's a good guy. Go check him out when you get a chance. I'll put his links up so you can go visit him, say hello. Tell him I sent you. This is his shirt, by the way. He sent me this. Let's see if you guys can see it. Isn't that cool? I like it. Thank you, John. I appreciate it. All right, so we've got this compartment. It's going to go together here. We're going to stitch it, the center gusset all the way around. And then once it gets stitched, we're going to sand the edges, refinish them, condition it, and we'll be done with this project. Oh, this was a $900 job. All right, let's continue. All right, we've got some big 4 we're going to put on this. And we are almost done with this project. This is a cool project. I liked it. A little tedious, but not too bad. Now the exterior zipper here, I replaced that also. We weren't supposed to do that. We're just supposed to kind of restore the bag. But since the zippers I put on did not match the original 100%, I figured having the exterior zipper match the center zipper, the two zippers, will do better. That way all three zippers match in the exterior. We've got two more on the inside that I did not replace. I'm going to keep those original. There's nothing wrong with them. I think it turned out pretty good. The leather match was pretty much spot on. As far as colors, pigskin. All right, thank you for joining me. We are done with another project. I appreciate you guys tagging along. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. That'll help the channel grow a little bit. And comment, share, we greatly appreciate it. Now, when you guys send an email, if you can, please add some pictures with the item, with the email. Because without seeing what you have, it's hard for me to answer questions. So attach some pictures, give me a brief description of what you like done, and I'll do my best to see if I can answer as best as I can. All right. Thanks again. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys on the next project. Take care.